My name is Ravi Dhaduk. I am from Yogi Pharmaceutical Private Limited and we are based in Ahmedabad. We have our own manufacturing unit in Ahmedabad and we are also sourcing from other units. We have our own quality documents and everything we can support is a documentation support. We are believe in our own quality, on patented product also. And if we require surgical, we have surgicals. If we require nutraceutical, we have nutraceutical. If we require pharmaceutical, we have, as per their requirement, we can work. We can submit our own dossier and we can also go through our buyer's brand. This is, I feel very productive to be here. I met different countries people, and people are really, I can feel that I will get business.